Hey guys, it's baby's first sounds anniversary and 20th anniversary special comparison. This no way. This collection the Girl 13 is one DVD, two puppets and one toy. Why? Your the DVD, one toy. Oh, yarning on the DVD. Okay, commentary reaction. First, the DVD. Base for sounds to Dasher H DVD. Front, back, side. This, no parents guide. Second, is only the puppets. I want to see the puppets. First is Bluebird. Bluebird, except from Baby Shakespeare. Baby favorite place, base for smooth and base for sounds. This puppet had parent in Chaco's Adventures. Remy's favorite places, and Uniqua leather sounds. Uniqua. No sé si apparent en Uniqua leather sounds. Comes tomorrow. No comes tomorrow. Yeah, no comes tomorrow. And in the last puppet is Arias is duck puppet from babies. It's apparent the video. Using and the voice. This is puppet apparent in the voice picture and Aris Canyon base for sounds. Base for sounds from Baby Shakespeare. Baby Van Gogh, Neighboriamos, and Baby Newton, Baby Beethoven, and Baby Neptune, numbers nursery, Baby Da Vinci and green, and toy, babies, Baby Monet, MIDI orchestra, my first sign, Wait for sign and wait for sign and wait for sounds. Voice features. And that's this toy. And that's this toy. The Rocky Dolphins. The Rocky Dolphins. The Rocky Dolphins. No exact. No exact. No exact from the video. No exact from the video. From the video. Why Miramar? Why Miramar? Also by Van Gogh. Well, guys, this is Turning and Baby's base per sound comparison. Like Tomorrow, Baby Newton comparison is tomorrow. Baby Newton comparison is tomorrow. Like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. And see you next time. Bye.